Hi guys. Uh, People keep asking me often what are certain hobbies that we should develop before going to an SSB. So these are the 13 hobbies that I think everyone should, uh, start practicing well in advance before you go for an SSB. I'll suggest 6 months to 1 year before is a very good time. So here are the 13 hobbies that you should inculcate in yourself before you go in. The first one is start reading the editorials of good newspapers such as the Hindu, the Pioneer, the Statesman. Obviously, go through the entire newspaper, but keep in mind that you go through the editorials because it is in the editorials that you actually get a expert view or opinion on trending topics, political, defense, or even economical, and which will give you a fair idea of what is actually going on. Read good books. Read books on geography, political science, the political setup of India, international relations, and autobiographies of inspirational people such as Sam Manekshaw, Nelson Mandela, and many more. It's up to you, but read good books. Start running. Start running every day. 2 to 3 kilometers is a must. Start timing yourself. Make sure you're able to run 2.5 kilometers in under 9 minutes. That is a must. It'll help you immensely if you get selected in SSB and start training as well. The fourth one, start watching war documentaries with English subtitles. Most of the people who come in for SSB are from a rural background. I understand that, and their English is not that good. So when you actually start reading editorials and then you start watching war documentaries, there are plenty in number on YouTube and so many other sites. Watch them with English subtitles. It will give you a very good idea of what actually happened during wars, the military strategies used, and it will improve your language as well. Fifth one, start talking to people on random topics. Not any, like when I say random topics, it has to be related to what you will actually face in SSB. It is always good to get a matter of opinion of different people on a subject. So you actually understand how people think, how a particular decision affects people of different sections of the society. Sixth, I keep telling this to everyone. You need to start talking to people who are rude, who are kind of your enemies, who are kind of harsh and rude to you, relatives to whom you have not talked in years or ages, because that will make you uncomfortable and this will help you get out of your comfort zone. Do that. Trust me, it will boost your confidence like anything. Seventh, it is up to you. You can do this. It's not a compulsion, but study basic psychology, especially Sigmund Freud's theory on id, superego, and ego. This will help you to understand what actually they are looking for in your psychological tests. Eighth one, start preparing small topics which you might face in the lecturate. Current topics, like for example, now it can be GST, demonetization, India-China relations, what exactly is happening in Doklam, UN stand on so many different international issues, North Korea, all those stuff. Prepare, yourself on topics, 2 to 3 minutes, and start, delivering it in front of the mirror so that you gain more confidence, you can speak better, and you have a good understanding of the subject matter. Follow good websites which continuously keep giving you knowledge and information. I always suggest Quora, there's Defense Lover, there's Bharat Rakshak, and there are a lot of other blogs which actually keep updating themselves regarding the latest defense news, the world polity, world history, which might be very helpful in your SSB. 11. What is your weakness? So create a list of pros and cons. Sit on a chair and analyze yourself. Nobody is perfect. Make a list of 5 strengths and 15 weaknesses. So you have 20 qualities. So make sure those 5 strengths you don't lose out on, and those 15 weaknesses you start working on them. Sit in a chair, introspect, and this will help you immensely. 12th, start playing games. I'm telling you, start playing games, especially the Air Force aspirants. Start playing simulation flight games. Play Call of Duty, play Battlefield. It will give you a sense of what actually happens, and this will set your frame of mind in the right way. This will help. Trust me, this will help. But don't waste your time too much on this. That's all I'm trying to say. Most importantly, cross verify everything you read on Wikipedia and internet. Any site. See, the internet is a puzzle and anyone can fit it any way they want. So, unless you have verified sources, don't digest a fact. Research on that. Understand that anyone can correct or edit it. Make sure you have a standpoint on that. And digest only the truest facts. This will immensely increase your understanding and quotient of a subject matter, and this is going to help you immensely. So these were my points. These are the hobbies that I suggest everyone should start inculcating in themselves before they go in for SSB. Do let me know if you have more questions. I will keep making these videos, and I'm really proud. In the last 3 months, around 36 to 37 candidates of those who came to me have been recommended, and most of them have made it to the merit list as well, and I'm really proud of them. I did not teach them anything. I just told them the basic points as I'm telling you now. That is all I do, and that is satisfaction to me. So in case you need more help, reach out to me. I'm always available. I reply back to everyone possible. I try to do that much as I do. And make sure you share this video and tell them about this channel to other SSB aspirants and people in general as well, because I keep trying to make videos on different topics, but my main focus will always remain on SSB and defense. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Believe in yourself. Accept your weaknesses. That is the only thing to clear your SSB. Jai Hind.